Imagine this. You're gliding down a scenic highway, the world outside a blur as you sit in the lap of luxury. The engine purrs softly, the cabin is whisper quiet, and every detail around you exudes sophistication. This isn't just a car, this is the Cadillac CT6, a vehicle that redefines what a luxury sedan can be. If cars had a personality, the CT6 would be the refined, confident leader, the one that effortlessly blends power, elegance, and innovation. It's not just a car, it's a statement that says you don't just drive, you command the road. The Cadillac CT6 isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a masterpiece. Since its debut, it has set new standards for what a premium vehicle can achieve, combining world-class engineering, advanced technology, and timeless design. It's the vehicle of choice for those who refuse to compromise, those who want the thrill of a high-performance machine without sacrificing the comfort and sophistication of a luxury car. But what makes the CT6 so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a car, it's a celebration of innovation, craftsmanship, and performance. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about luxury sedans in general. Myth number 1. Luxury cars are all about comfort, not performance. Wrong. The CT6 is proof that you can have both. With its range of powerful engine options, including a 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 that delivers 550 horsepower, it's a car that's as thrilling to drive as it is luxurious. Myth number 2. American luxury cars can't compete with European brands. Think again. The CT6 goes toe-to-toe with the best from Mercedes, BMW, and Audi, offering a level of sophistication and performance that's second to none. And myth number 3. Luxury cars are impractical and expensive to maintain. Not the CT6. With its advanced engineering, fuel-efficient options, and Cadillac's reputation for reliability, it's a car that's as practical as it is luxurious. It's not just a car, it's a smart, stylish choice for modern drivers. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the CT6 even more. Did you know that the CT6 chassis is made from a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, making it both lightweight and incredibly rigid? This innovative construction not only improves performance but also enhances fuel efficiency and safety. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The CT6 features magnetic ride control, a suspension system that uses sensors to read the road 1,000 times per second, adjusting the suspension in real time for a ride that's as smooth as it is responsive. It's not just a car, it's a technological marvel. But the CT6 isn't just about technology, it's also about comfort and craftsmanship. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that feels like a first-class lounge. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, the cabin is whisper quiet, and the attention to detail is second to none. From the handcrafted wood and metal accents to the 34-speaker Bose Panare sound system, every element is designed to make you feel pampered. The CT6 isn't just a car, it's a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of the world and focus on what really matters. Think about the last time you needed a vehicle that could do it all. The CT6 is here to answer that call. With its spacious interior, it can comfortably accommodate 5 passengers, making it perfect for family road trips or chauffeuring clients in style. And with 15.3 cubic feet of trunk space, it's ready for anything, whether you're hauling luggage, golf clubs, or shopping bags. It's not just a car, it's a multitasking marvel. Now, let's talk about performance, because the CT6 isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as powerful as it is refined. The CT6 offers a range of engine options, from the efficient 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 to the exhilarating 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8. The top-tier 5.8 engine delivers 550 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, propelling the CT6 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the CT6 delivers a ride that's as smooth as it is confident. And with available all-wheel drive and active rear steering, it's ready for any road, or lack thereof. But what really sets the CT6 apart is its commitment to innovation. This is a car that's packed with cutting-edge technology, from the Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system to the advanced driver assistance features. Super Cruise allows you to take your hands off the wheel on compatible highways, using a combination of cameras, sensors, and GPS to keep you safely in your lane. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. So, what does the Cadillac CT6 mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have luxury and performance, innovation and tradition, power and elegance. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and ambitious as you are. It's a car that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're driving through the city, heading out on a family vacation, or making a grand entrance at an event, the CT6 is the ultimate companion. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of innovation, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Cadillac CT6 isn't just a car, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: luxury, performance, and innovation. It's a car that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it elevates the journey itself. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate in luxury and performance? Because the CT6 isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.